Um, it's 6:57 going 7 p.m. tonight. And it's starting, but the actual hit of the typhoon here at the Avery is around 10 p.m. up to 2 a.m. and then it will stay here for few hours kasi the typhoon is moving so slow, around 35 kph, 35 kilometers per hour. So as of now, it's still tolerable. It's just like a normal rain, but you can see the wind is building up. I won't sleep tonight, so I'll just observe and guard if ever I need to go there. But I don't think I need to evacuate the birds because these structures here are so well built and designed for typhoon that if something goes wrong, and then our house will surely be a goner. So that's my game plan right now, just to observe. We're not expecting too much flood since this area here is flood free for now. Well, it really depends. This is like almost 4 feet, so it should withstand the flood if ever there's a flood. Well, anyway, good evening and keep safe, Philippines. And for now, God bless the Philippines. Oh, it's windy. Oh no. That's my problem there, the narrow tree. This is the only tree that I didn't cut because in the summer I need that. Good night. I'll update later after 2 hours.